Chef 21 Go, and today I will be giving you the best tutorial of your life involving a chili pie. Yep, that's right, a chili pie. Now disclaimer, it looks like crap. But that's okay, because that's okay. Looks can be deceiving, you see. I look like a moron, but we all know that's not true. I'm not a moron. I'm not. Anyway, it's gonna taste very good. It's not gonna be sweet, but it's gonna be savory. It's gonna be amazing. You see, it's gonna have so many flavors, so many things, so many everything, and it's gonna be amazing. But now, right here, we shouldn't cook it here. No. Outside is not good. We should go to a better place. The kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen. The kitchen will work. You see, it's where you make food, scrumptious food, in deliciousness. So let's go over there. Yeah. Chili pie. It's really good. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need some original chili. Really good stuff. You're gonna need 2 cups of it. Delicious. You're also gonna need a really good onion. Really good stuff. I just want to eat it by itself. You're also going to need some generic yellow mustard. Good stuff. I love mustard. I like the bitterness. It's really good. You're also going to need some cheddar, any type of cheese. It's delicious stuff. I love it. You're also going to need some hot dog buns because it's, good stuff. And you're also going to need some classic jumbo franks because hot dogs. Okay, first we're gonna need to chop an onion. So let's grab a good old thing and be like, okay, so now you're gonna need to cut some hot dogs because, delicious. Now you do the same thing for delicious hot dog buns. Boom. It's gonna be a bit hard, because it's like, wheat and all, I think it's called, yeah, and yeast, so not very good to be cutting, but it's still delicious, and that's all that counts. Now you're gonna need to get some generic chili. You're gonna have to open it, and you're gonna pour it into a bowl. Good stuff, good stuff. See, now you're gonna need to do a lot of good stuff. So open the thing, and then not all the way because you don't want to get the lid stuck. Then you're gonna be like boom. Then it's gonna be delicious. So you gotta just take the lid out. Okay, so now we're gonna need to pour a little of this generic chili onto the bottom just to liquidize it up so it's smooth and all, and good stuff. Okay, so let's maybe not make a mess, and then you just boom, boom, boom. Now you're gonna need to put a couple of these things and stuff. Cut that down. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of onions. Now you don't want to use all of them because too much onion. It's not good. I'm not a big fan of onions, but I still like onions. Good stuff. Good stuff. Now you want to go to some mustard. You want to open it. You want to spray it all over the place. Not too much though, Delicious. Now you're going to need to put some sauce. The rest of it. All of it. Now you just spread it around like this. And delicious. You don't want any bread to show. I mean, you can have a little bit, but make it as little as possible. Now, you're gonna need some cheese. We're going to need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so now that the timer is done and we've waited for 30 minutes for the food to finish cooking, we are now going to take it out of the oven and it smells really delicious. It is delicious. Look at the deliciousness of this deliciousness. Now we have our delicious food of Pinus. So now we are going to take a bite of it, and it's going to be delicious, you know? So let's grab ourselves a small piece, just a small, you know, for tasting and all. It's going to be good. Little slice of pie, as always. Very small, very small. Very steamy too. Let's take that out. Okay. Let's take a bite. That is delicious. I could eat all of this right now. That right there is a delicious tutorial on how to make that good old chili pie.